Want to turn your ideas into AI-generated videos in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI videos in Krea AI in 2026, from entering prompts to exporting your final video. So let's jump right in. First, open Krea AI and sign into your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're inside, navigate to the video generation section. This is where you'll create videos using text prompts, images, or existing content. Krea AI typically offers multiple ways to create videos. You may be able to generate a video from text, animate an image, or transform existing visuals into motion content. Choose the option that best fits your project. Now enter a detailed description of the video you want to create. Include information about the scene, subject, camera movement, lighting, and overall style. Yeah, detailed prompts usually produce much better results. Before generating, review the available settings. Depending on your plan, you may be able to choose video length, aspect ratio, quality settings, or model options. These settings can have a big impact on the final output. Click the Generate button and allow Krea AI to process your request. Generation times may vary depending on server demand and video complexity. Once the video is ready, preview the results carefully. If needed, modify your prompt, adjust settings, or generate additional versions until you're happy with the outcome. After selecting your favorite version, use any available enhancement tools to improve quality. Then export the finished video and save it to your device. And that's how to create AI videos in Krea AI in 2026. With the right prompts and a few adjustments, you can generate impressive videos for social media, marketing, or creative projects in just minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.